The technology in smartphones has advanced significantly over the years, but one element has stayed mostly the same: the battery. While a number of improvements are anticipated for the next Galaxy S25 Ultra, battery life capacity doesn't seem to be one of them, but Samsung intends to fix this by adding I to its Galaxy S25 series, which will increase its endurance. In a post, Sawyer Glock said the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will have the same 5000 mAh battery and 45-watt charging speed as its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, due to the company's decision to renounce its plans to increase the battery size and speed of charging on the device in order to keep costs low. Though Samsung is working on a battery AI function that might possibly lengthen the phone's battery life by 5 to 10%, there is still hope for enhanced battery performance, according to another source, Panda Flash Pro. It is still unknown precisely how Battery AI will function in conjunction with Samsung's current optimizations, but this AI technology will automatically stop pointless activities to save battery life. If everything goes according to plan, the Battery AI function may debut in the Galaxy S25 series and, in an intriguing twist, ultimately spread to the S24 and Fold series as well. Everything we can hope for is that it won't unnecessarily delete important programs. The stacked battery technology that was originally planned for the Galaxy S25 Ultra will now only be available for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, according to a follow-up tweet from Kook. With a cooling mechanism needed to avoid overheating, this denser battery variant provides greater power without growing in size. Although it seems to have been planned, Samsung decided to save costs by placing the 65-watt charging speed and stacked battery in the S26 Ultra. Furthermore, Samsung is currently investigating the integration of AI technology to maximize battery efficiency, even if the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life may not see any appreciable improvements. Users may anticipate a more intelligent and effective battery management system in next Samsung smartphones with the possible inclusion of Battery AI. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.